Hi there, welcome to Storytime with Miss Andrea and the Loveland Public Library. As always, before we read stories, we have to get our wiggles out. Can you stand up for me, please? I wiggle my fingers. I wiggle my toes. I wiggle my ears. And I wiggle my nose. I wiggle my shoulders. I wiggle my chin. I stretch my arms wide and I pull them back in. I wiggle my elbows. I wiggle my knees. I hop like a bunny. And I smile and say, cheese. Now I have no more wiggles left in me, and I'll sit on the floor as still as can be. Fantastic. Our book today is by Jeremy Tankard, and it's called Grumpy Bird. Have you ever been grumpy? Yeah, for sure. Can you make a grumpy face? Definitely. When Bird woke up, he was grumpy. He was too grumpy to eat. He was too grumpy to play. In fact, he was too grumpy to fly. Looks like I'm walking today, Bird said. Let's see, Bird walked past sheep. What do sheep say? Meh. Good morning, Bird, said sheep. What are you doing? Walking, said Bird. Nice, said sheep. I'll keep you company. So let's go for a walk. Bird walked past Rabbit. Hi there, Bird, said Rabbit. What are you doing? I'm walking, said Bird. It's no fun. I could use some exercise, said Rabbit. I'll walk too. Bird walked past Raccoon. Hey, Bird, said Raccoon. What are you doing? I'm walking, snapped Bird. What does it look like? Was that very nice? It's kind of rude. It looks like fun, said Raccoon. I'm coming too. Bird walked past Beaver. Hello, Bird, said Beaver. What are you doing? Let me give you a hint. You do it by putting one foot in front of the other. Walking? Guessed Beaver. I love walking. Bird walked past Fox. Good day, Bird, said Fox. What are you doing? Why does everyone want to know what I'm doing? I'm just walking, okay? Okay, said Fox. Let's go. So Bird walked, and the other animals walked. Bird stopped, and the other animals stopped. Bird stood on one leg, and the other animals stood on one leg. Try the other leg. Whoa, there you go. Bird jumped, and the other animals jumped. Hey, this is fun, said Bird. Come on, said Bird, who had forgotten all about being grumpy. Let's fly back to my nest for a snack. And they did. The end. So those animals helped Bird not be grumpy through some exercise, and sometimes that's all it takes to get moving when we feel sad or angry or grumpy. So let's go ahead and do another rhyme about walking. Walking, 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 hop, 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 running, 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 running. Now we stop, now we stop. Let's try that again. Walking, 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 hop, 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 running, 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 running. Now we stop, now we stop. Fantastic. Can you get your clapping hands out and help me say goodbye? Bread and butter, marmalade and jam. Let's say goodbye as high as we can. Goodbye! Bread and butter, marmalade and jam. Let's say goodbye as low as we can. Goodbye. Bread and butter, marmalade and jam. Let's say goodbye as fast as we can. Bye, 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 bye. Bread and butter, marmalade and jam. Let's say goodbye as slow as we can. Goodbye. Bread and butter, marmalade and jam. Let's say goodbye as quiet as we can. For those of you who might want it, bread and butter, marmalade and jam. Let's say goodbye as loud as we can. Goodbye! Thank you so much for coming to Storytime with me today.